You're unbelievable.
Check the method when I climb to the low, no joke like Pronto, that's so Jonto. I'm in this condo with Toronto. Either way, that's
Jalan.
we can think of me standing there before like swinging the chords up in the air like cowboys. When you're rocking the territory in this rap game, and Christ bless this with the octane. Same name created the world in 7 days. Change your life, you beat the maze, man, don't trip. We gon' carry on with the funk shit, clutch preparing the power punch shit. The things you say, the word will never push me away. The things you say,
You're unbelievable.
and you're so unbelievable. I just wanna make jams, pack the clubs and stadiums, so people of all types will making the crowd hype. I got Christ in me, for the life of me.
You're unbelievable.
And you sound unbelievable. Stepped on the scene at the age of 13, crystal clean, kick it like you never seen. Big expansion.
You're unbelievable.
I see the city lights all around me. Everyone's obscure. 10 million people, each with their problems. Why should anyone care?